how to use Google Authenticator for Samsung account, 2-step verifications. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, make sure you already go into Play Store and install Google Authenticator. So once it is installed on your device, you can open it. From here, you can tap on Add Code, and then you can choose to scan a QR code, or you can enter a setup key. Next, we swipe down at the top and tap on Settings. Then tap on your Samsung account name. Then tap on Security and Privacy. In here, tap on 2-step verification. From here, we go down and tap on Authenticator app. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Then we go down and you want to select Use another Authenticator app. From here, copy the key, or you can use the QR code. So here, if I copy the key, then go to your Authenticator app and tap on Add or enter a setup key. In here, you can enter in the key. So I'll just cancel it. I'll paste it in. Paste in the key, and here we can say Samsung account. And then tap on Add. And that's it. We have now successfully added Samsung account to Google Authenticator. From here, we can use this code for signing into your Samsung account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.